How are you doing today? We are going to draw a flower named dahlia. Let's begin the drawing from the center. We start like drawing a circle or the elliptical shape here. As you see, it's the outline. Then we can connect it to the center. Looks like this. On the opposite side, let's draw petals like this. More extended part like this. For each of the petals we need the detailing, as I am doing here. Let's stay patience and do the detailing like this. Alright, as you see here, the more we progress through the drawings, the flowers is becoming interesting. Some petals we see in the middle like this. Alright, we can put few shades like this, middle of the each part. Then we draw a stick like a curved line, and let's draw another line parallel to the previous one. Two leaves we can draw here, as you see. Another leaves on the left side. This is the detailing of the leaves. Okay, so this is the outline. We can draw little elaboration here in the center for the petals. We can put few dots like this all over the center part. Okay, let's go for the second part of the petals and put shades like this for each petals. Okay. We can see the visual changes as we do the detailings of the drawings. Now let's proceed to the color part. The flower is going to look nice now. You know, all the creative parts, if you work on it, these are all combinations of the imaginations, the variations of the colors and the pattern and the depiction. As you see, it makes the flower looking interesting and nice. Let's put little red in the middle. For this part too. All right, green color for the sticks here. And the flowers, you see the left side and the right side, those are dark green. Let's put little light green too for the variations. Looks nice. All right, so the drawing is complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more updates and more interesting videos. Have a good day.